Breaking news. Welcome to OI Charts. Pre-market news, December 3rd, 2025. Ashok Leyland shares surged to a 52-week high of rupees 156.40 pays after board approval for merging Hinduja Leyland Finance into NDL Ventures. Mindspace REIT is acquiring 8 lakh square feet of commercial assets for rupees 2,916 crore, expanding in Mumbai and Pune. The government is considering merging 6 public sector banks to enhance efficiency and competitiveness. Nifty 50 is set for a gap-up opening after strong 8.2% GDP growth in the second quarter. India's FY26 GDP growth forecast has been raised to 7% from 6.5% after a strong first half. India's GDP grew 8.2% in the second quarter, though HDFC Bank expects a slowdown to 6.6% in the second half. India's July-September GDP reached 8.2%, up from 7.8% in the previous quarter. India imported 5.4 million tons of Russian oil worth 2.1 billion euros from January to September 2025. 7 of India's top 10 firms gained a combined rupees 96,200 crore, with Reliance alone adding rupees 28,282 crore. RBI is expected to keep the repo rate unchanged at its December meeting after the strong 8.2% GDP growth. Nifty 50 fell by 12.60 points to 26,202.95 as investors awaited key macro data. The strong GDP growth has reduced expectations of an RBI rate cut on December 5. The stock market is heading into a critical week with the upcoming RBI monetary policy meeting and monthly auto sales data. Nifty's highest call open interest is at 26,500 CE, with support at 26,000 PE. Reliance Industries announced salary cuts for executives. Mukesh Ambani faces a 100% cut. Others face 30 to 50% cuts. Tamil Nadu tax authorities withdrew a tax demand of rupees 266 crore and 30 lakh from Dalmia Cement. Adani Ports plans to raise rupees 5,000 crore via non-convertible debentures to refinance debt. India's manufacturing PMI rose to 56.3, marking the 18th straight month of expansion. Maruti Suzuki reported 14% year-on-year growth in November sales, driven by SUVs. Gold prices climbed to rupees 63,000 per 10 grams amid global uncertainty. Crude oil prices fell 2% as supply remained elevated while demand softened. Foreign portfolio investors invested rupees 9,000 crore in Indian equities over the past week. Airtel added 3 million new subscribers in October ahead of its 5G rollout expansion. India's coal production increased 12% year-on-year, supporting winter power demand. Titan recorded strong festive season performance with double-digit growth across categories. The Indian rupee appreciated by 12 pays against the US dollar due to improved FPI inflows. Larsen & Toubro secured orders worth rupees 8,000 crore across multiple sectors. India's services PMI rose to 57.5, showing strong demand and business optimism. Retail inflation is expected to ease to 4.8% due to lower food and stable crude prices. That's a wrap for today's pre-market brief. Stay tuned for more updates with OI Charts.